What if I told you that almost everyone on earth earns money in just 4 different ways? Not 40, not 400, just 4. The shocking part is this: the method you choose will determine whether you stay stuck earning a paycheck or build real wealth. Most people spend their entire lives working harder, hoping one day they will become financially free. They believe that if they work longer hours, get another degree, or find a better paying job, everything will change. But the truth still remains: hard work alone has created very few wealthy people. The people who build lasting wealth understand something the average person never learns. They know how money actually flows. And once you understand these 4 ways of making money, you will never look at your career or finance the same way again. If you are serious about escaping the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly where you are today and where you need to go if you want financial freedom. Almost everyone makes money in one of these 4 ways. There are countless variations, but at the core, they all fit into these categories. The first way of making money is by working. This is how most people earn a living. You work as an employee or you are self-employed. Either way, you are exchanging your time for money. Even high-income professionals like doctors, lawyers, and consultants fall into this category. They may earn more, but if they stop working, the income usually stops too. If you are making money by working, there are only 2 ways to increase your income: work more hours or become more valuable by learning new skills. That's why people go back to school, earn certificates, or become experts in their work. The more value you bring, the more you can earn. But there is a limit. There are only few hours you can work in a day. The second way to make money is by selling. This is where income starts becoming much more scalable. Sales professionals, operators, consultants, marketers, and business development experts all make money by helping people buy products or services. Here is what's different. Your income is no longer tied directly to the hours you work. You could spend an entire day trying to close deals and make nothing, or you could spend just 30 minutes closing one high value deal for a client and earn thousands of dollars. In sales, your income depends on 3 things: how skilled you are at closing deals, the commission you earn, and the value of what you are selling. That's why so many top earners focus on high-ticket products and services. Selling fewer expensive offers can generate far more income than making hundreds of small sales. The third way to make money is by owning assets. This is where wealth begins to grow differently. Instead of only earning from your own efforts, you own things that produce income. It could be rental property, a business, stocks that pay dividends, or an asset that generates cash flow. If you own a successful business, you are no longer earning just salary, you are earning profits. Your money begins working alongside you instead of depending entirely on you. The fourth way is by lending money. This is how banks, investors, venture capital firms, and private lenders grow wealth. Instead of working for money, they make money from the money they already have. They lend capital and earn interest or investment returns. At this stage, money becomes a tool that creates even more money. Now, here is the lesson I want you to learn. Building wealth isn't about staying in one category forever. It's about moving through them. You start as a worker, you develop valuable skills and learn how to sell. Then, you use that income to buy or build assets. Eventually, those assets create enough wealth that you can invest or lend money, allowing your money to work for you. That's how financial freedom is built. It's not overnight. It's not through law, but by understanding how money works and intentionally moving from one level to the next. Creating wealth isn't nearly as complicated as people think. The challenge isn't a lack of opportunity. It's that most people never learn the game they are playing. If you enjoyed my teaching on this video, please hit the like button, subscribe for more practical wealth building lessons, and leave a comment telling me which of these 4 stages you are currently in. Your journey to financial freedom starts with understanding the rules. See you on my next video.